We started the business 7 to 30 years ago at 7676 North Freeway. But before that, we've been in the business. We've been dabbling in it since I was 9 years old. We started off catering. We would cater parties and different events, family reunions, and we would do cooking classes all over the country. We had outgrown our first location. We started off with 900 square feet. Just didn't make sense with what we were trying to do, so we pursue a larger location. We have upgraded our equipment. We've put in new systems as far as filling systems. We are much faster. We're able to do co-packing also. We're doing customers' old family recipes, and they come here and do that, and to help them with the labels and the whole 9 yards. We are a one-stop shop where you can not only bring your product, but we can do the labels, the packaging, we can refine the artwork, assist in getting the product out to the end user, whether that's a grocery store, into restaurants, and so forth. It's a family business. We're tight-knit. We do a lot of promos together. We've done that from day one. We have enjoyed it, but everybody has a role to play, and they work real hard at that. Call us up and I'll answer the phone 9 times out of 10. Dealing direct with me and my son Ernie and my wife as well. John Henry's Food Products.